Linaw ko din na sex work is still work. In some countries, it's legal, it's sanctioned by the government and regulated, and it's a hard job.
It is.
So wag natin silang huhusgahan kasi
And choice naman nila.
choice
nila yun. Choice nila yun. And di naman tayo mag-judge sa ganung ginagawa nila.
But for you, all those proposals, no.
No.
Ikaw yan, may na-experience ka ng ganito.
Marami nagdi-DM. Pero like ako, binabasa ko, minsan natatawa ko, tinan mo to, nakakatawa, ganun. Pero I don't engage in it. Like, it's funny to me na lang kasi I'm not a very greedy person. Like, I have my needs. I'm well provided for. My mom, I make my own money. I don't need the extra. Yung mga ganun. I don't need the mga bags.
At the expense of what?
At the
diba?
expense of my body.
Yes.
Parang hindi. For me, I know my worth.
Sino ka dyan?
Separate yung work ko sa buhay ko, kung sino ako. Yun yung common misconception na okay lang sa amin yung ganun. Hindi po yun. Kaya tigilan niyo yung pagdi-DM sa amin.
Guys,
Guys, sinata ako sa inyo.